If you use a PP strapping, please remove the battery first and replace the long spring in the accessory bag. First, long press the DEC button for 2 seconds. The machine prompts the sound to start. And then press the fusion button. Press the mode button to select auto, semi-auto, and manual mode. The first number is the tension value. Press set to set the value. The second value is the welding time. You can press the up button and the down button to set the time. After setting the parameters, you only need to press the tensioning button, and the machine will automatically complete tensioning, welding, and cutting. Semi-automatic mode needs to hold down the tension button all the time. When the set tension value is reached, the machine will start welding and cutting automatically. If you release the tightening button during the tensioning process, the tensioning wheel will stop rotating, and press the welding button at this time. The baler will start welding and cutting the belt. When using manual mode, the tension button should be kept pressed. When the set tension value is reached, the welding button must be pressed to manually fuse the tube bundle.